this is the progress we've made on this cabin. Got the deck and we got the subfloor. Underneath the subfloor is the insulation and vapor barrier. The thing I'm concerned with is I haven't had time to put the roof on, and it rained. It's been raining like crazy here, and now this thing is soaked. It got soaked before I could put the tarp on it. It looks a little swollen, kind of concerning, but I'm not gonna replace it. And today it's gonna rain again, so we got a big rain coming up Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, every day this week. So I'm gonna try to get the walls up and the roof sheathed, and then tape it, and then I might have to work in the rain a little bit later this evening, but I want to get it covered so that this can dry out. So that's the goal for today. We'll see. A model that I bought on Etsy, I forget the designer. He's also got a lot of social media stuff and a lot of cool models that he's got. I'll link it on the screen here. But let me show you what we're doing here. I'd modified it a little bit to fit our needs. All right, so this is the original A-frame. This is what you get when you buy his plans. Maybe you've seen this in the wild out there. It's a pretty popular model, very simple to build, but we're gonna put it right here in our backyard. So this is kind of how it's framed out, and this is where I'd like to get to today without the siding, something like this. But let me switch over here to our design. So this is, we've added a 2-foot wall just to lift it up a little bit and give it a little bit more headroom in here. So you'll be able to stand up next to the bed, and putting the bed in the middle right here, we'll have a little bit more room to kind of walk around. For these tiny walls, I need 18 little studs that are 21 inches a piece. So let's see how many, I got 144 divided by 21, 42, 63, 2 cuts in between, so that's gonna be 1/4 inch, 63. 3. Damn, it's starting to rain. Damn it. Coffee, my hero.
I got your satellite signal and you needed a little tap.
Of course. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Still on. Okay, so I told you guys I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm framing it like, I framed a few things in my life, but I'm gonna build basically the same wall that I built on the back on the front here, just to get the rectangle right before I start putting up the vertical roof pieces of the A-frame. But it's gonna have a door right in the middle. It's gonna be about 32 inches wide. But it's still gonna be like a 2-foot wall. So what I'm gonna do is frame it out for a tiny door right here. It's gonna go across. I'm gonna chop off the top plate once we're ready for that. But for now, I just wanna make sure that everything's perfectly square. And yeah, that's where I'm at. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if this thing's square. $15 and $15.7. $15.6. Perfect. Damn, 15.6. I definitely need a helmet here. Okay. Why did I think that was gonna work?
I got this. You just go get the...
You sure?
Yeah.
You got it? Yeah. Okay. This is crazy, man. All right, we're gonna put the other ones up. We have a shape.
It looks really cool.
Yeah, look how soaked this is.
I know.
Hopefully it's not ruined. You know, probably even maybe even get a dehumidifier if it doesn't get better.
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. Good.